don't press the button. Which, yeah, oh, here's the coin. So, yeah, I randomly just started the game, so let's begin. Score a goal? Yeah, we always scored a goal. Oh, okay. Alright. Get ready for what? Are we going to battle? Oh, no. Don't tell me we're going to battle to fight who? Who's the giant? I don't know. Ah! Who? Where did that giant come from? Actually, where did that giant come from? That was so unfair. And why are we all big? This is why we all jump so high? This dude's quite big, guys. How much longer until we can press this button? It's taking like forever. Okay, we're back, guys, and we're getting ready to fight you guys. Okay, we can do this, guys. This time we can do this. We can do this. We can totally do this. Okay, guys? Go! We can't do this. Anyway, let's watch the battle. Oh, so close, and we win. Let's grab all these coins. My coin. Think fast. Why? No. Okay. Pressing the button. It's gonna take a while. As it starts, it's spreading. Ah, this is good. This is good because I've done this before. Why is that picture a mess?